In this video, I like to share you guys how you can control your phone just one click and one hand. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S DAYOUT, so let's start the video. So at first go to setting, then go to accessibility, then tap on interaction and dexterity, then turn on your assistant menu. You can control and customize your assistant menu many way. For example, you can customize your assistant menu size. So how to work recent app? You also get recent app, home and back key. You also get screen off option. You also customize your volume. So now you can take screenshot very easy, just one click. And this is notification panel. And this is panel zoom in and zoom out. And this is power up menu. And this is console. You can use your phone like PC and laptop mouse. And this is screen controller. If your screen do not work, you can manage your screen for this left and right, up and down. And last one, menu setting. And you also customize many ways, zoom and zoom out. Okay, this is all about assistant menu, and I hope you also apply in your phone, and the assistant menu help you to control your phone very easily. So now you can control your phone very easily by assistant menu. So I hope you also like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time to another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S DAYOUT. Allah Hafiz.